Yes, all protocols observed. Good morning once again. My tribute, as you can see, it's short and sweet. So I'll go on to read it. Thursday, 20th February 2025 will be a day I will always remember. The day you are promoted to heaven. It has been a long journey, Daddy. I never thought you would leave us in our early 30s. And it pains me to realize that you will not be there for us, your children, to give back to you. These past days, I have been going down memory lane, and I am proud that I was given the opportunity to call you my father. Daddy, you loved us deeply and worked tirelessly to ensure we had all we had needed and more. You are a man who was always willing to lend a helping hand, a man who was and is my #1 role model and mentor, a man of integrity and honesty, an unshakable man. I never thought there was anything you couldn't do. If you wanted to, Daddy, well, except avoid death. We built a lifetime of happy memories, ones I will cherish forever, and which time can never erase. If I were to pen them all down, I will need more than a book. Your #1 sport was golf. When I was 10 years old, I accompanied you to the golf course. I quickly took the golf and you said I was a natural. It became part of me. Your passion became mine. I had learned from the best. In 2007, when I got my handicap, which then allowed me to play professional golf around the world, you were so proud of me. You trained me, Dad, so that I could become the best in this sport. You and Mom enrolled me and sponsored me to join the Junior Golf Foundation, JGF, the foundation of golfers 18 years and below, to improve my golf by playing and winning in some tournaments across the golf courses in the country. I remember you sent me to South Africa in 2009 for a 3-month training to upgrade my golf skills. I gained confidence to bring my handicap down to 2 in a professional level. Thanks to you, we won the club match play foursomes in 2015, a tournament at the Royal Nairobi Golf Club, where our names are engraved, W. Chebukati and J. Chebukati, as per today. We are the first golf partners who are related to ever be champions in Royal Nairobi Golf Club. We both also have a hole-in-one at the same club. On the golf course, we connected as one being. You were my partner, you were a fighter, you were a team player. Family golf time was your idea. Those moments when we competed as a team of 2 against each other will forever warm my heart. We had so much fun and we enjoyed the rewards that came with winning most of the competitions. Golf will certainly never be the same without you. Whenever you played golf with me and you could strategize on how to win every time, losing was not an option. If it happened, you told me, it's not the end of the world, son. Your time will come. I still can't believe that you are gone. You are irrepressible, Daddy, one of a kind. Tears fill my eyes as I write this tribute. My heart is heavy with grief. Losing you feels like losing part of myself, but I find comfort in the Lord daily. Your life is hard to emulate, but I will do my best to live life of eternity like you did. I am confident that you are in heaven and are watching over us. I won't see you again on earth, but happily we'll meet again in heaven. I echo the words of J.M. Richards, which I quote, "No one wants to go through life alone, fighting battles single-handedly their whole life, not even the hardest of the heroes." I love you, Daddy. Rest in peace till we meet again.